Gather the required tools to do the job. An impact wrench or a ratchet wrench, 1/2 and 3/4 inch sockets, 1/2 and 3/4 inch hand wrench, a torque wrench, rubber mallet, and a vise. Use caution when handling the Coulter as it is heavy and the blades are very sharp. Lay out the required parts and hardware necessary to assemble the Coulter. Knife scrapers are optional. To stabilize the Coulter during assembly, use a block of wood under the Coulter arm. Attach the knife scraper to the blade using the 5/16 hex head bolt, flat washer, and lock nut. Install the hubcap protector. Attach the Coulter blade to the hub using the 1/2 inch carriage bolts, lock washers, and hex nuts. When attaching the rear knife, shims and a spacer block are used. Be certain to put the shims against the knife arm and the spacer block against the knife. Secure the knife to the Coulter arm using 1/2 inch grade 8 bolt, flat washers, and lock nuts. Use the rubber mallet to center the Coulter blade on the Coulter hub so that it runs concentric to the Coulter hub. The tip of the knife needs to touch the Coulter blade on a full revolution of the blade. After tightening the hardware, double check the knife and blade tolerance. Securely hold the blade with the vise and torque all hardware at this time.